अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू लर्न विद हना। आज की वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे एसपीएससी इंस्ट्रक्टर और लेक्चरर टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज, टिप्स और स्ट्रेटजीज जो आपके पेपर में टॉप करने में मदद देंगी। अगर आप भी गवर्नमेंट टीचिंग जॉब के लिए सीरियस हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और अपना सफ़र बनाते हैं सक्सेसफुल लेक्चरर बनने के लिए। सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर. Let's get started. This series contains PS Computer Science Instructor MCQs Part 2. So, this portion includes advanced programming concepts. Question number 51. Which of the following is used for exception handling in C++? So, the right option is E. Try और catch को हम use करते हैं for exception handling in C++. Question number 52. Polymorphism is a feature of. So, the right option is B. Object-oriented programming. So polymorphism is the feature of OOP. Question number 53. The concept of inheritance allows. So the right option is A. Code reuse. Question number 54. Which is not a valid loop in Python? So the right option is C. Repeat until. Question number 55. Encapsulation in OOP means. So the right option is B. Binding data and functions together. This portion contains advanced data structure. मैं आपको बताती चलूँ कि ये जो हमारी सीरीज़ है ये स्पेशली है फॉर इंस्ट्रक्टर है और लेक्चरर प्रिपरेशन फॉर कंप्यूटर साइंस, स्पेशली फॉर सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, बलूचिस्तान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन और फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन। और इसके साथ साथ मैं आपको बताती चलूँ दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज, सो प्लीज़ डोंट मिस। जो है वो डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स को कवर करते चल रहे हैं, जिसमें आपकी जो फर्स्ट वीडियो वो मेरी, अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर वो चेकआउट करें। और उसमें भी बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज है जो कि स्पेशली बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स और जितने भी हमारे बेसिक्स एमसीक्यूज है वो है उसमें। बट रिमेंबर दैट कि वो भी बहुत कंपलसरी वीडियो है। अगर आपने नहीं देखी तो just go to my channel Learn with Hanna and check my playlist. 56. Which data structure uses parent-child relationship? So the right option is C. Tree में जो है वो parent-child relationship को use किया जाता है in data structure. Question number 57. A circular cube prevents. So the right option is B. Memory. Circular cube जो है वो prevent करता है memory waste को. Which structure is based for undo operation? So the right option is B. Stack structure is based for undo operation. Question number 59. Which tree is always balanced? So the right option is B. AVL tree is always balanced. Question number 60. A graph is a cyclic if it contains. So the right option is C. Back edges. रिलेशनल डेटाबेस एडवांस जो हमारी पहली वीडियो है उसमें जो है हमने बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स कवर किए, और जो हमारी वीडियो है इट कंटेन्स ऑलमोस्ट ऑल एडवांस सब्जेक्ट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. विच नॉर्मल फॉर्म रिमूव्स ट्रांजिटिव डिपेंडेंसी? सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज सी. थर्ड नॉर्मल फॉर्म removes transitive dependency. Question number 62. Which clause is used to filter groups in SQL? So the right option is D. Having clause is used to filter groups in SQL. Question number 63. A foreign key must reference a. So the right option is C. It must reference a primary key. Question number 64. Which is a relational algebra operation? So the right option is D. All of the above. Select project in union. These are relational algebra operations. Question number 65. Database management system that supports multiple users is called. So the right option is C. Multi-users. Question number 66. But it's an operating system, but it's a advanced operating system. So question number 66. The process control block PCB contain. So the right option is D. All of the above. It contains file system, memory usage, process state. Question number 67. Which is not a type of operating system? So the right option is C. Web-based is not a type of operating system. Question number 68. Paging avoids. So the right option is fragmentation. Fragmentation is a problem in operating system, especially for memory management. So the paging avoids fragmentation. Question number 69, a context switch involves. So the right option is C, saving process state. Question number 70, semaphore is used to. So the right option is C, it avoids race condition. Advanced networking. 71, port number of hypertext transfer protocol is. So the right option is C, 80. Question number 72, IP version 6 address is of. Its right option is C, 1 to 28 bits. जो IP वर्जन 4 है वो जो है एड्रेस इज़ ऑफ 32 बिट्स, और जो हमारे पास IP वर्जन 6 है इट इज़ ऑफ 128 बिट्स. Question number 73, what is the function of make address? So the right option is C, identify hardware device. Question number 74, TCP is a. So the right option is B, is it's a connection oriented protocol. Question number 75, ping uses which protocol? So ping uses internet control message protocol. So the right option is C, theory of computation and automata. DFA stands for. So the right option is deterministic finite automation. Question number 77, a language is regular if it is accepted by. So the right option is C, DFA. Question number 78, which machine accepts context free language? So the right option is B, PDA. Question number 79, which of the following is more powerful? So the right option is C, turning machine is more powerful. Epsilon in automata represents. So the right option is null transition. It's a artificial intelligence and machine learning portion. So the question number 81, AI is the study of. So the right option is intelligent agents. The Turing test checks. So the right option is B, intelligence of a machine. Question number 83, supervised learning requires. So the right option is labeled data. Question number 84, which is not a search algorithm in AI? So the right option is D, LRU is not a search algorithm in AI. Question number 85, a neuron in a neural network is called. So the right option is A, node. These are the IT awareness. इसके साथ साथ ये कुछ जनरल MCQs है और बहुत ही इसेंशियल और बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो कि ऑलमोस्ट मैंने पास पेपर से ही उठाए, उन पास पेपर्स में आए हुए हैं. सो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें. Question number 86, the first computer virus was. So the right option is Creeper. Question number 87, Linux was created by. So the right option is Linus Torvalds. Question number 88, compiler converts code to machine language. So the right option is B. Question number 89, 1 kilobyte equals to. So the right option is C, 1024 bytes. The full form of URL is. So the right option is A, uniform resource locator. Question number 91, HTML is used to. So the right option is structure web content. Question number 92, CSS stands for. So the right option is B, cascading style sheets. Question number 93, JavaScript is a. So the right option is C, scripting language. Question number 94, the href attribute is used in. So the right option is B. Question number 95, PHP is a. So the right option is a server side script. Digital logic design MCQs. Question number 96, note gate is also called. Question number 97, a nibble is. So the right option is A, 4 bits. Question number 98, what is the output of exclusive OR gate if both inputs are same? So the right option is A, 0. Question number 99, Boolean algebra was developed by. So the right option is George Boole. Question number 100, the binary equivalent of decimal 15 is. So the right option is A. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel Learn with Hanna for more updates, tutorial and tips and competitive exams preparation, computer science topics and much more. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated.